Today we are going to learn an interesting part in computers that you always love. I know that every child loves to draw and color pictures. In any way, you start the drawing on your slate, on your notebook, on your drawing book, wherever you can find a chance, you start drawing. Here in computers, we also have a chance to draw and color our pictures. So first of all, we'll start with the application. If you want to open a paint application in Windows, you must have to click on the start button. Here you can find programs, and in programs you will find accessories. In accessories you will find paint application. Here my Windows version is different, so that I cannot find or I cannot show you here accessories directly. I can show you that the paint application available here. Here if you click on the search box and type paint, it will directly show you the paint application. And after clicking here, you can find paint. Now listen. The screen will allow you to access different tools that are available here. These tools can be used for drawing pictures. If you want a shape directly to be drawn, you can use these shapes. Colors are available here. So this is the first look, but we will go through a proper way, that is the introduction of the screen elements. First of all, you can find here a quick button of save, undo and redo. These quick buttons will allow you to work in paint fast. This is the title bar. From untitled paint till the close button, the title bar is there. Here you can find the name of application, name of your saved file, minimize button that we have already studied. This is the restore button. It will be converted in maximize button. If you click the button, toggles between minimize and restore and maximize. Here is the close button that will allow you to close the window. You can find here menus. File menu is there for different options. The home tab is here. If you click on the home tab or home menu, you will find the home ribbon. Here in the view menu, you can find view options. In paint application, we mostly work in home tab. This is our drawing area. If you follow the cursor, you can find the drawing area. And here is our status bar. It will tell you where you are on your canvas. So let us start. Now, as we start drawing with our pencils, here also we are going to learn drawing with a pencil today. Now students, if you click on the tool, that is the pencil, it also has an eraser below it. So as per your drawing skills, you can draw here any kind of picture. I will just start with an apple. See, my drawing skills are not that much good, but I can show how to draw. Your skills will make your picture more graceful. Suppose you don't want to draw with a pencil or you want to erase your drawing, you can use eraser here. Just click your left mouse button and move the cursor or the eraser that is appearing on the screen. It will allow you to erase or rub out whole picture on the screen. Now let us start with the shapes as my drawing skills are not that much superior. I will show you the picture. Here I have started with the start button, the pentagon, rectangle, rounded rectangle. It means it has corners rounded, and a circle. Now if you go through all these images, you can find that these images are not perfect. It means the pentagon, star, these are good at their level. But if you find these three images are not perfect, circle cannot be a circle. It is an oval. This is rectangle. This is a rectangular shape. If you want make them perfect squares or perfect circles while drawing, we should use shift button that is on our keyboards. Just press shift button while drawing the object. See, I'm pressing a shift button on my keyboard and it will allow me to draw a perfect circle here. Now, if you want an oval, you can have an oval in this way. So the application will allow us to draw as many and in any shape you can draw pictures here. The next thing is about the square. If you go and draw, if you go and click here on the rectangular shape, it will allow you to draw a rectangle. But if you want a square, perfect square with proper lines, you just press shift button on your keyboard. It will allow you to draw perfect square. If you want a rounded rectangle in rounded square perfectly, just press shift button. Okay. Now for coloring, use the color bucket or fill in color. The fill with color tool will allow you to fill the color in your chosen object. You can choose any color and you can fill it in the selected objects. Just I am doing it randomly, any one color in any shape. Suppose you want a different color that is not available in this palette, you can go with edit colors. Here you can find different shades, so you can choose your favorite color or your required color here. Just go to the point where your color lies and click it to add to custom colors. The blank line that is appearing on here, the colors palette, the color will be added to the color palette. Suppose your color is different from the given colors in the palette. The pastel colors can be added to that palette. See here, some shades are not available in the palette that we can add. Okay, add to custom colors, and it will allow you to access these colors. Okay, now you can see that if you click here while drawing, two colors are used. The first color that is in your bucket now, and the second color that is the background color that is appearing here, a white color. This white color is a second color. The first color is your foreground color, or you can say your drawing color. If you want to draw a line, now I have selected here a blue color from this palette. So just I'll click here on the screen and drag my mouse. It will allow me to draw a line, but with the selected color, that is blue. Suppose you want to make it red, you just go and put your mouse on the red color. But now I have not clicked here, so the basic color will be remain as it is. Now I'm clicking here. I will choose another color. I will go for different lines. See here with a different color. Now remember, children, while you are drawing these colors or these shapes or these lines, here when these points are appearing on your screen, or these points are active with your image or picture, you can choose the color of your object or the size of the line. You can see the changes. Hmm? Once you click out of that image, it will not change as per your requirement. But while you are using the tools and the points are appearing at the edges, you can change the size and colors of the images. So here I will click and select all and press delete button. It will remove all the images from my screen. It will wipe out all the screen. It will make it blank. Now let us draw a simple drawing. I will choose here a diamond shape with a black color. You all have to use all the tools that are available here. Now you can see the points are looking here. The points are appearing here. And if you click on any color, the colors can be changed. Outline color can be changed. And click outside of the drawing object. Now I will change the line size and I will add few different shapes here. Now I want this in black color. I want a line also. Line color, I want a different line color. I can add here squares. This one I want in different color. Triangular shape is there. So you can make n number means any number of shapes here. You all have just you all have to practice these tools for the first practical. We will have our first practical in our next lecture. This is all for today. Good day.